Welcome to our roundup of the best compound bows. Top choices for archers who want precision, power, and performance whether you're practicing at the range, competing in target tournaments, or improving your form. Compound bows are engineered with modern cam systems and let-off technology to make drawing and holding more consistent, helping archers of all levels shoot with greater accuracy and comfort. We've handpicked bows that deliver quality build, smooth draw cycles, adjustable settings, and overall reliability, so you can find the perfect bow for your skill level and goals. We'll walk through each bow's key features like draw weight range, axle-to-axle length, let-off percentages, materials, and adjustability, all important for comfortable, safe archery. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. For recreational archers and those stepping up from beginner setups, the Sanlida Archery Dragon X6 compound bow is a well-rounded and forgiving choice. Sanlida bows are known for offering good performance at accessible prices, and the Dragon X6 continues that trend with a design that balances power and stability. This bow typically features a smooth draw cycle, adjustable draw weights and lengths, and a compact profile that helps reduce fatigue during extended practice sessions. Many users appreciate how easily this bow can be tuned to fit different archers without requiring advanced setup, making it a good option for youth and adults alike who want reliable performance without complex adjustments. The Dragon X6 delivers consistent arrow speed and accuracy, ideal for precision target practice. As with any compound bow, make sure your arrows and accessories are properly selected and the bow is tuned by an experienced coach or technician to match your draw length and strength. When used responsibly in a safe archery range environment, the Sanlida Archery Dragon X6 compound bow is a solid all-around pick. Next up on our list is the Pandarus KS01 compound bow, a model that brings enhanced adjustability and ergonomic design into play. Pandarus bows often appeal to intermediate archers who want to step up in performance without jumping into highly specialized equipment. The KS01 typically offers a wide draw weight range and adjustable draw length, allowing you to dial in a custom fit that improves comfort and control. The bow's riser and cam design help promote consistent arrow flight, and many users appreciate how smooth and predictable the shot cycle feels once set up correctly. This makes it a good choice for those practicing accuracy drills or preparing for competitive target archery. Always ensure you're practicing in appropriate, safe areas, like certified archery ranges, and that you have proper protective gear like arm guards and finger protection. With responsible use and proper tuning, the Pandarus KS01 compound bow delivers performance that bridges beginner and intermediate levels. For archers who value balance between form and function, the Wuxlisti KS02 compound bow offers dependable performance and a comfortable shooting experience. Wuxlisti bows often focus on ergonomic details and smooth draw mechanics, which help reduce shooter fatigue and improve consistency shot after shot. The KS02 typically features adjustable draw weight, a comfortable grip, and a cam system designed to reduce hand torque, helpful for scouting subtle aiming errors and refining technique. Many archers appreciate its solid backbone and vibration-damping design, which contribute to a reliable feel without excessive noise or movement when the arrow leaves the string. As with all compound bows, practice is key. Consistent form, proper stance, and safe shooting at designated ranges will help you enjoy the full benefits of what the Wuxlisti KS02 compound bow can deliver for precision and control. Whether you're honing fundamentals or building confidence for competitions, this bow offers a balanced ride. Stepping up in performance and versatility, the Lanneret P3 compound bow earns a place on our list for archers who want strong adjustability and an efficient power profile. Lanneret bows often cater to shooters who want solid energy transfer, smooth let-off, and reliable arrow speed, key factors in hitting more consistent groups at various distances. The P3 typically allows a range of draw weight adjustments, so you can fine-tune the bow as your strength and skill develop. Users often highlight how well this model handles both slow, controlled shots and more dynamic practice drills because of its stable frame and cam system. It's well suited for everyday target practice and refinement of shooting fundamentals. As always, practicing within safe environments, such as organized archery ranges or clubs, and following local archery safety guidelines ensures you enjoy every moment on the range responsibly. With its mix of performance features and adjustability, the Lanneret P3 compound bow is a great choice for intermediate archers refining their distance and accuracy. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the ponderous compound bow, a standout choice for archers who want a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly bow that suits a wide range of skill levels. Ponderous has gained attention for building bows that blend solid engineering with shooter-focused features, and this model exemplifies that approach. The ponderous compound bow typically includes a wide draw weight range, smooth cam system, adjustable draw length, and ergonomic grip, all factors that contribute to consistent accuracy and comfort during extended practice. One of the notable strengths of this bow is how well it adapts to different shooting styles and body sizes, making it a favorite among archers who prefer to tweak fit and performance without extensive tuning. Many users find that the consistent let-off and clean draw cycle help them maintain proper form and build confidence in their aim, whether shooting short distances or practicing longer range accuracy. Remember to always follow proper archery safety practices, including using a stable target, wearing protective gear, and never shooting toward people or pets. When used responsibly in appropriate settings, the ponderous compound bow offers a dependable and enjoyable shooting experience that earns it our top recommendation. When choosing the right compound bow, consider factors such as your draw length, draw weight preferences, experience level, and intended use, target archery versus competition, as well as features like adjustability and build quality. Proper setup and tuning can make a big difference in comfort and performance, so working with an experienced coach or technician at an archery range will help you get the most from any bow you choose. And that wraps up our list of the best compound bows this year. From the balanced Sanlita Archery Dragon X6 compound bow, the adjustable ponderous KS01 compound bow, the smooth shooter Wuxlisti KS02 compound bow, the versatile Lanaret P3 compound bow, to our top pick, the ponderous compound bow, there's a perfect option here for every archer's skill level and goals. Which bow will you bring to the range next? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest gear reviews. Be sure to check the description box for current deals so you can grab the best compound bow for your practice today. Thanks for watching.